Okay, today we're going to make an awesome compost pile. And the tools that we're going to use today is some pitchforks. We've got using, we have the wheelbarrow, which we had to use quite a bit, and we'll be using a shovel also, a flat shovel today.